Hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to this session on data type. And this is a little bit advanced because only if you're having an Office 365 or a version Office 2019, this feature is enabled. You can see I have this feature is very useful for identifying the demographic factors or demographic data of cities and stocks. Okay, right? See, I'm selecting this city. I'm selecting this city. I'm going to data. In only in Office 365, this specific option is given. I am naming this as this. You have a separate data type. I'm naming this as a geography. I'm this converting this particular city as geography. This is very useful for tourism employees as well. Okay, I'm just naming this as geography. I'm converting this geography. The moment I convert this to geography, only if you have an internet connectivity, this feature works out, and moreover, you should have an Office 365 connection. Only then this feature works out. Data is converting here. See, the moment I convert this into geography, there is a symbol that is associated with this. Okay. Now, what is the use of converting this data into geography is like very simple. In case if you would like to extract some information about these cities, you can do it with a click of a second. Just the moment you select this, you have a option insert data. When you click this, all the information that is available in the internet, all authenticated information that is available in the internet can be extracted with the help of Excel. And just clicking admin division, for example, country region, which country these cities belong to. I'm just clicking country region. It shows you India, UK, United States, Netherlands, all these things. And clicking once again, population in each cities. This population is given here. And then I'm just clicking time zones. You can see the particular time zones associated with each cities are listed here. And just clicking it, area. Area is like square meters or square kilometers. All these things are displayed here. And the admin division, state or province, so it belongs to Tamil Nadu, India, England, London is in England, Washington, everything. All this data can be extracted from the internet, but Excel will ease you with all these options. This is very useful data types. And apart from this, for people who are very much familiar with finance, like using some stock analysis, I have given some stocks here: Apple, Tesla, Microsoft, Verizon. I'm just selecting this and clicking. I'm converting these stocks into stock data types. The moment I change into stock data types, you can see it here: Apple Inc., Tesla, Microsoft, Verizon, all their trading names, and these things are information are shown here. Again, you can do the same thing. I'm just clicking this. If you want to see the description, you can see Apple designs, manufactures, markets, mobile communication, all these things. Number of employees in each company, 1,37,014. These information that are extracted from the stock exchanges. And then headquarters. I'm just clicking headquarters. Their address is available. Industry. I'm just clicking industry. Phones, computers, phones, and household electronics, all these things. This is a very useful feature in Excel, but this feature is available only if you're having a licensed version of Excel and especially Office 365. This will be very useful for extracting information just very quickly.